What if Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Discord disappeared tomorrow? How much of your business would disappear with them? Your audience, your engagement, your community? If that made you pause even for a second, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you why your business needs a private social network and how you can launch one that you actually own using the right tool. While most businesses were chasing trends and virality, successful brands did something boring but powerful. They built a social networking community, and now they're quietly winning. But there's a catch. Public social networks feel free, but trust me, they're not. You pay with your data, your reach, and your relationship with your audience. On the other side, a private social network is closed, branded community that lives on your own website, not on Facebook, Instagram, or Discord. This isn't a Slack workspace where people are drowning in pings, and it's definitely not a Facebook group where your members are one notification away from being distracted by a cat video. A true private community is a dedicated space for people with shared interests to connect intentionally. No algorithm is fighting you. No borrowed attention, no competing notifications. And that's why private communities consistently outperform public ones. People show up to participate, not to scroll. So the obvious next question is, how do you actually build one? Right now, most businesses see only two options. One is SaaS community platforms, and the other one is legacy WordPress plugins. If you go to the SaaS route, you get a clean UI and fast setup. But here's the trade-off. You don't own the data. You can't fully customize the experience. And if you ever want to leave, good luck migrating your community history. The monthly fees never stop. You don't own the infrastructure. You're trading control for convenience. On the flip side, legacy WordPress community plugins have been a mess for years. They look like they were designed in 2010. They're slow and they're so heavy that they kill your site's SEO. You end up spending more time acting like a developer than actually leading a community. So, for years, businesses were stuck in this loop. Pay a fortune for a platform you don't own, or build something slow and painful that doesn't scale. But not long ago, a massive architectural shift just happened in the WordPress ecosystem. It completely changes what's possible with private social networks. And that's where FluentCommunity comes in. We finally have a solution that delivers the engagement of a Facebook feed, the real-time speed of Slack, and the professional profiles of LinkedIn without giving up ownership. The next question is, why FluentCommunity? Let me show you shortly how to get this enterprise-level social networking power without the enterprise price tag. It's a fast, feature-rich community plugin for WordPress built from the ground up for modern social communities with a built-in LMS. Out of the box, you get unlimited members, unlimited groups, and engaging discussions. You've got emojis, GIFs, and live polls to keep the vibe alive. Private messaging for real one-to-one connections. And FluentCommunity is built as a single-page application. That means it's strikingly fast. No clunky reloads, no lag. Just smooth, app-like performance. And for the creators, FluentCommunity has a full LMS built right in. You can sell your courses, set up drip content, and my favorite part, build discussion threads for every single course. So learning and community happen in the same place. As a cherry on top, you get a dedicated leaderboard to identify and reward the top contributor, while the topic management keeps related discussions under one hood so everybody stays in sync. With all that, you get dark mode for the premium feel, SEO-friendly URLs to help your community get found, and most importantly, you keep 100% of your revenue because you don't have to pay for any platform fee. Alright, so by now you know why you need a community, the cons of not having one, and also the advantages of running your community with FluentCommunity. Here's the one idea I want you to walk away with. We are living through a massive transition from the attention economy to the ownership economy. Connection matters. but connection on both platforms is a liability. If you want to stop paying the social media lottery and start building something that compounds over time, you need to change the question. Don't ask, how do I grow my audience? Ask, where does my community belong? And if your answer leads you to real flexibility of owning a community and running one, take a serious look at FluentCommunity. It's the ultimate way to own your private social network in WordPress. All the links are in the description. Check them now. And for step-by-step tutorials on launching and growing your community, check out the resources from WPManageNinja. Subscribe for more content like this and start building something you actually own. See you in the next one!